Welcome to the future of dental practice management with mConsent, where we are offering innovative solutions designed to streamline workflow and enhance patient experiences. Imagine a world where managing your dental practice is seamless, efficient, and stress-free. With mConsent, that world is now a reality. With our patient intake solutions, say goodbye to paper forms and hello to efficiency. Our paperless forms, self-check-in kiosk, and insurance verification streamline the intake process, while online patient scheduling and waiting room TV keep your patients engaged and informed. Stay connected with your patients every step of the way with our patient communication tools. Our appointment reminders, two-way texting, and patient messaging ensure seamless communication, while our smartphone app and treatment plan reminders keep your patients informed and engaged. Our patient growth plan solutions are designed to help your practice thrive. From reputation management to text-to-pay and patient database reactivation, we have everything you need to grow your practice and boost your bottom line. And the best part? mConsent seamlessly integrates with your existing electronic medical records, EMRs, such as Dentrix, Athena, Eaglesoft, Dolphin, OfficeMate, and more. Say goodbye to data silos and hello to streamlined operations. Over 5,000 practices have been transformed by mConsent software. Join the revolution and experience the power of mConsent for yourself. Visit our website to learn more about our complete solutions or book a free demo with us today.